Welcome Mr. Hossain Math 1 level. Today we will solve Pearson Edexcel International GCSE Further Pure Mathematics Paper 2 O level Ordinary level May June 2023 Paper 2. Number 1, they said given a 2 plus root over 5 over 3 minus root 5 equal this. Where is integer prime number? Find the value of a. So let us solve first left side and let us form as like as right side. Left side a plus 2 root 5 3 minus root 5. So what we do? Just we are calculating left side. So left side by calculating we will rationalize the denominator. Here it is 3 minus root over 5. Both of these we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. So that's both numerator and denominator. Both of these if we multiply, since here a minus b will multiply by a plus b. That is 3 plus root over 5. Here already a plus 2 root 5 and we will multiply by 3 plus root 5. Now a square minus b square a plus b minus b, that is we can write a plus b minus a square minus b square. So it will be 3 square minus root 5 whole square. And above the line 8 times 3 plus root 5 plus 2 root 5 times 3 plus root 5. What will be happened? Remove the bracket, that will be 3a plus a root 5, 3 to the 6 root 5, here 2 root 5 and root 5. So root 5 is square, root 5 square and root cancel, 5 into 2, that is 2 times 5. 3 square means 9, square root cancel, that is only 5. Square and root cancel only. 9 minus 5, 4. Here a root 5 and 6 root 5, if I write together, so it will be 6 plus a and root 5 outside, that is you are taking common. 3a and 5 to the 10, if I write together 10 plus 3a. Okay. They said this equal to that, is left equal to right. So finally we can write, therefore if we compare this equal to that, is this equal to, if we write that 11 plus b root 5 over 2. On comparison of these two, what can we write? Here without root, okay, b root 5 and here 6 plus a root 5. Coefficient of root 5, 6 plus a and here b. So we could write 6 plus a equal there b, so that is it is b. Okay, b root 5, but here it is okay, that is b. Again another one, 10 plus 3a. So if we write 10 plus 3a and this equal 10 plus 3a equal to the constant part, no, there is a 4 actually. There is a 4, so if we want to make 4 denominator and denominator same, that is here denominator 4, you must make 2 as a 4. So how to make 2 as a 4? Here 4, 2 if I multiply by 2, 2 to the 4, since you multiplied denominator by 2, numerator also you multiply all by 2. Okay, now see, 6 plus a equal to this 11 times 2, yes, and 10 plus 3a equal to 4 4 same, equal to that is no, b times 2 root 6 plus a coefficient of square root 5, 6 plus a coefficient of square root of 5, b into 2 without square root, constant 10 plus 3a here equal to 11 into 2 equal 11 tenths, and denominator 4 4 same. So if I solve here, Here if I solve 3a equal to 22 minus 10, 3a equal to 12, a equal 4. Substitute a equal to 4 over here. So 6 plus 4 equal to 2b, 2b equal to 10, so b equal to 5. Okay. This is number a, number 1. So one is b equal to 5, another a equal to 4. Now number 2. So number 2, they said nth term of a convergent geometric series. What is convergent? Convergent means we can write for convergent we could write modulus are less than 1. Also for convergent we can get sum to infinity. Sum to infinity exists. S infinity exists when it is convergent series. Convergent means decreasing. Okay, so for convergent modulus are less than 1. Later I will explain what is this. Now let us see what did they say. Find the sum to infinity of the series. Series is given 8 power 1 minus 2n. So we can write Tn term n, that is nth term 1, 8 to the power 1 minus 2n. If I want to find first term n1, that is T1, 8 to the power 1 minus 2 times n is 1. So T1 we get 1 minus 2, that is negative 1, 8 to the power negative 1. We could write 1 over 8. Now T2 equal to 8 times, instead of n you write 2, 1 minus 2 times 2. We could write 1 minus 2 times 2, 4, that is 8 to the power negative 4. We could write 1 over 8 to the power 3. At best we can do T3 equal to 8 to the power 1 minus 2 times 3, that is 8 to the power 3 to the 6, so negative 5. It will be 1 over 8 to the power 5. By this way we can find first term T1. First term a equal to 1 over 8. The common ratio are equal to T2 over T1. So T2 is T2 we got 8 to the power 1 over 8 to the power 3 over T1 is 1 over 8. We could write 8 over 8 to the power 3, then finally it will be 1 over 8 square. It means common ratio are equal to 1 over 64. Okay. Now find the sum to infinity. So what is the formula for sum to infinity? Sum to infinity equal to a divide 1 minus r. So now what is a? A first term we have got 1 over 8, 1 minus r, ratio is 1 over 64. 1 over 64 is, they said for convergent modulus are less than 1. This value 1 over 64 is less than 1, so it's correct. Now you calculate, then we are getting 1 over 8 over, if I do the LCM, that will be, if I calculate, that will be 63 over 64, then equal to, we could write 1 over 8 times 64 over 63. Okay. Now cut just 8 and 64 you cut, so answer is coming 8 over 63. Give your answer in the form p over q. P, q are integer, so p and q integer. So if I write in this form p over q, so p we got 8, q we got 63. This is number 2. Number 3, they said figure 1 shows circle O with radius r. Okay. Now if we lie on a circle, obtuse angle AOB. What is obtuse angle AOB? AOB, this is obtuse angle. It means obtuse is greater than 90. The area sector APBO shown APBO. That means they're telling this portion. So for this portion, what will be the angle? If it is theta, rest of the part will be reflex angle. This is AOB. So reflex AOB equal to, since it is in radian, 2 pi. 360 means 2 pi minus theta. Now area of the sector APB, that portion shaded, area given, also length of the arc given. So we apply arc length formula and sector area formula. Let us come arc length. Arc length equal to theta r. Arc length for APB, we know here mention arc length for APB, that is that one. You write r, arc length r. So you could write arc length is given, what length of arc given, 53.2 equal theta. We know theta already reflects AOB. We have found that will be 2 pi minus theta. R radius we don't know, we just mark R. Okay, you can mark this is equation 1 about arc length. Now if I write area, what is the formula for sector area? So sector area equal theta r square by 2, and here sector area, the value given 372.4 equal theta. Theta means angle, reflex angle. This is 2 pi minus theta. R is r square over 2. So if I do cross multiplication, then it is coming 372.4 times 2 equal r square. See here, 2 pi minus theta r, and here is r square. See, if I write with syllable, that is 2 pi minus theta 1 r, separately another r. So instead of that one, you can put the value 2 pi r. You can quote this 52.3. You give side note by 1. So equal to, we can write, instead of that, we could write what could we write, 53.2, and extra we have r. Here 372.4 times 2. So we just make r as a subject, so r equal to 372.4 times 2 over 53.2. By calculating, we will get r equal to 14, since it is radius. So length in centimeter. Now substitute this value of r into equation 1. So equation 1 is this, you just substitute, right, from 1, what you get, 53.2 equal to 2 pi minus theta times r. Already r we have got, so 53.2 equal to 2 pi minus theta times r is 14. If we just calculate, then it will be, so theta if I make as a subject, it will be 53.2 over 14, and if I bring that 2 pi, so that will be minus 2 pi equal to negative theta. You just make theta as a subject and multiply both by negative, so answer we will get 2.483 theta. These are in radian, rad. Okay, number 4. The curve S with equation these, where S greater equal 0, and the line L with equation these intersect at the point AB as shown figure 2. Show that the coordinate of A are these, find the coordinate of B. Okay, fine. So what we do, there are two equations. Actually we have got one coordinate, this one coordinate already we have found, that is if we solve simultaneously, or just later before solving simultaneously, the x0 y2 in any equation you put, there is a coordinate, and which one will be convenient for us to put. If I put these ones or that one, no problem. So write at 0 comma 2, what do you get? 2y minus x minus 4, 0. 2 times y is 2 minus, so it's correct. Okay, then y will be shown, that is total, it will be 0. Or you can check whether it is correct or not. It's not necessary to check. 2 times 2, x is 0, negative 4. So 4 minus 4, that is we are also getting same. 0 equals 0. It's simple just for checking. It's not necessary. So now what they said, any equation or simultaneously both of these if I solve, then one value will be found this coordinate, another one will find. And this value is for a. So we could write a equal to 0.2 since at y-axis is x0. Now simultaneously you solve. One is y equal to x square by 4 plus 2. This is equation 1. And 2y minus x minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation 2. So we could write from 1 and 2. What you get? Y equal to y. No, this y you substitute there. That is here 2y. So 2 instead of y. X square over 4 plus 2 minus x minus 4 equals 0. Now if we multiply all by 2, that will be 2 2 multiplies, so x square by 2 plus 2 to the 4 minus x minus 4 equal to 0. Then 4 4 cancel, that is x square over 2 minus x equals 0. Then if you do the LCM or multiply all by 2, then x square minus 2x equals 0. So if we want to solve that, x square minus 2x equal to 0, x you take common, x minus 2 equal to 0, either x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0, that is x equal to 2. Okay, then x equal to 2 we found. So we got 1 x equal to 0, x equal to 2. There are two values. Earlier they said a, where x equal to 0. So that is when we got x equal to 0. This is for a. We could write for a. We don't need. We need for b. X equal to 2 will be for b. Finally, we can say x equal to 2. That one will take. So when x equal to 2, definitely substituting this value into y, we will get rest of the values. Any equation. So it means just write from 2 at x equal to 2. Equation y equal to x over 2 plus 2. That is y equal to 2 over 2 plus 2. It means 3. The coordinate b we got 2 comma 3. Okay, now this is number a. Find the coordinate of b. The finite region bounded. This is the finite region bounded by this curve S and line L shown shaded, rotated through 2 pi radian about y-axis. It is rotated through y-axis. Remember, not x-axis. Y-axis. Okay, for the line we could think as a cone, but it's better, convenient for us if I write curve minus line minus curve, that shaded, and volume the systematic way how to do. So now see, rotated avoid y-axis 2 pi radian, that is for number b we could write, must mention that rotated about y-axis. So this is y. One equation, 2y minus x minus 4 equals 0. From here, making y as a subject, 2y equal to x. Okay, 2y minus 4. Okay, x plus 4. This equation 1. No, and another one, that is y equal to x square over 4 plus 2. So here 2y, okay, 2y equal to x plus 4. Now this is 2y. If you multiply all by 2, then you will get 2y. So 2y equal to, multiply right side also by 2. that will be x square over 2 plus 4. Instead of this 2i we got x plus 4, so instead of 2i you substitute x plus 4, okay, equal to x square over 2 plus 4. Or actually we have meaningless, that since they say rotated y-axis, you just make x as a subject, that will be convenient, more convenient for you, not together xx since it is volume. So if it was area then that would be easier for us, just 1x. Since it is volume, I'm showing the method volume means separate x square y square. So from here you just make x as a subject, then it will be 2y minus 4. Better you mark here equation 1, in detail you will see later. And from there also it is not convenient for us, the convenient one here, y equal to this, make as a subject x square, that is y minus 2 equal to x square over 4. So then x square equal to, we could write 4 times y minus 2. Okay, now we could write x square, here you can mark x2 equal to 4y minus 8. Here you can mark x1 2y minus 4. Okay, now why I'm doing such a way, the convenient thing is to find the volume. If it is area, no problem, volume we have a problem. Volume equal to pi integration, since it is rotated y-axis, so we should write x1 or x2, anyone you write first, suppose x1 whole square minus x2 whole square dx, separately x1 whole square. So we need to keep x1 separate. If it is area then no problem, for volume we need to keep separate. Okay, now for this we can write volume equal to pi integration, what is the range, shaded region here, a was, b was 2 3 and a was 0 2. So here basically we need the range, since it is rotated y-axis, range for y, there is 2 to 3, smaller on 2 bigger on 3, so range is 2 to 3. Inside we could write x1 square minus x2 square dx. Now you just put the value, what is x1, what is y1, volume equal to pi integration range 2 to 3, x1 we found x1, that is 2y minus 4 whole square, x1 square, x2 square, already directly we got the value x2 square, that is 4y minus 8, but give a bracket since it is negative, so 4y minus 8. So we will do the integration of that. By integrating we are getting volume equal to pi integration 2 to 3. Now inside a minus b whole square, if I apply the formula a minus b whole square, that will be a square, that is 4y square minus 4 to the 8 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, that is 16y minus 4 square, that is plus 4 square means 16. If I remove the bracket, that is coming minus 4y minus minus plus 8 dx. Okay, simplify more, then you integrate pi integration 2 to 3. Here it is 4y square minus 16 minus 4, it will be minus 20y. 16 plus 8, that is 24 dx. Now let us see what integration comes. If I integrate 4y square, it will be 4y cube over 3 minus 20y square, it will be 20y, it will be y square divided by 2 plus 24, just one y introduced, 24y, and range will be written outside 2 to 3. Now if we just calculate this one, once we substitute 3 into y, another substitute 2 into y, and in between these two there is negative minus. So that is, if we subtract and write such a way, then what will be happened, then volume equal to, we are getting pi outside. Here by integrating already we have got this. Now substitute the 1 3 1 2, that is 4 over 3, it will be 3 cube minus 10 times 3 square plus 24 times 3 minus, enclose with second bracket, that is 4 over 3, instead of 3 we write 2, 2 cube minus 10 times 2 square plus 24 times 2, enclose with second bracket, then write that. So volume equal to pi. Here if I calculate overall, I will get 18 minus 56 over 3, then we will get more pi, negative 2 over 3. So volume and area cannot be negative, length cannot be negative. For that trans separately we will write volume equal to ignoring the negative sign 2 pi over 3. This, if they wrote centimeter, then it will be centimeter cube. If they did not write anything, you could write unit, unit cube, since it is volume. Okay. Now number 5, on the grid opposite, they said draw the line with equation you draw. So we'll draw y equal to 2x plus 5. Just as an idea, I am giving how to sketch y equal to 2x plus 5. That will be first y axis at 5, then in front of x2 it will go upward, below 2 there is 1. So y equal to 2x plus 5, it means 2 over 1x plus 5. So if we write y equal to mx plus c, so gradient m equal to 2 over 1. 2 over 1 means y over x, so x is 1, y is 2. Okay, let us calculate and draw that. If we draw, then what will be happened? Y equal to, first from 5, at 5, y equal 2x plus 5, first at 5, this is 5y, and at 2 over 1, x value 1, y value 2, x value here 1, y value 2. These two you just connect, then we will get a straight line. This is y equal to 2x plus 5. Another one, 4y equal to x minus 8, so we could write y equal to x over 4 minus 8 over 4 means 2. So gradient y equal to 1 over 4x minus 2, first at minus 2, then 1 over 4 gradient means y over x, x equal to 4, y equal to 1, x equal to 4, y equal to 1. These 2 points if just connect, then we will get the equation. Okay, so this is for that one, for this one. Now the third one is 5y plus 3x equal to 30. 5y plus 3x equal to 30. If I divide all by 5, that is y plus 3 over 5x equal to 30 over 5, that is 6. So we could write y equal to 6 minus 3x over 5. Now gradient y equal to minus 3 over 5x plus 6. Gradient m equal to minus 3 over 5 equal to y over x. X is 5, y is 3. Y equal to these, first you go at 6. I have gone at 6. Then x5, y3. From here you go x5, x5, y3. 1, 2, 3. These 2 points if you connect, will get the new equation. Oh, this is negative, sorry. X5, y negative 3, x5, okay, y negative 3. So from negative 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. These two now if I connect, then we are going to get third equation. This is for that. Okay, the intersected point this one, the intersected point this one, the intersected point this one. Okay, let us find this coordinate. We could say this coordinate is over here 0.4, and here at best here 0.4, and this is just 5.8 we can take. So 0.4 comma 5.8, one coordinate, this one, and that one will be x is actually negative 4, y negative 3, negative 4 comma negative 3. This is negative 4 comma negative 3. This is 0.4 comma 5.8. This one actually, what could we say? It shows that it is matching with 9. No, you could give one is correct or not. I have not drawn. It's little bit go upward. Okay, then then what you get. So now new point we are getting 9.4, and this is we could write 0.4. Three coordinate we have got 9.4 comma 0.4. So what should I do? They said for all they have said y less equal 2x plus 5. Why is it 2 less equal 2x plus? So less means if I stand y axis less below. So below means it is coming here, coming here. Another one they wrote 4y greater x minus a. 4y greater means y greater. Why this line if I stand greater means it goes up, up, up. Another one 5y plus 3x less. So 5y, this 5y plus 3x less, that is y less. So if I stand at this y less, let me, this is also down. So finally we will get shaded portion, these above this, below that, these are the shaded portion. Okay, now say for all point r, shade the region r. This is region r. They said for all point r with xy coordinate, there is a formula they have given, bp equal to 2x minus 5y. Using the graph, find the least value of p. The least value of p, there will be 3 times value 1 2 3. How to write? 1 I am writing 0.45.8. What do you get? 0.45.8. If I substitute, then we can get p equal to 2 times x 0.4 minus 5 times 5.8. Then I will get negative 28.2. At 4 minus 3, if I substitute 4 minus 3, so p equal to 2 times minus 4 minus 5 times minus 3. By calculating we will get 7. Another 9.4, 0.4, so p equal to we will get 2 times 9.4 minus 5 times y is 0.4. By calculating we will get 16.8. That's it. Least value. Use your graph, find the least. Which one is the lowest? 7, 16.8 minus 28.4. The least value p least, least, least or lowest equal to negative 28.2. This is the final answer. Now number 6. Number 6 is actually, this is three-dimensional math. So three dimension. Figure 3 shows the right triangular prism ABCDEF, a cross section ABC prism triangular AB is ABAC. ABAC means here they gave AB and this one gave AC. ABAC equal to R. This is also R radius, this is also R. Definitely this triangle is isosceles. CAB pi by 3. Pi by 3 in radian, if we convert into degree, that will be 60 degree. Wow. So if 1 it is R, this is R, it is 60 degree. If it is isosceles, rest of the two angles are equal. From 180 you subtract 60, you are getting 120. So 120 you divide by 2, that is 60. That is rest of the angle also 60, 60. So finally we can come to this conclusion that this is not isosceles. This is isosceles as well as an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all length are equal. This is R, this is R, that one also R. Okay. A, E, B, C, D, 5. Okay, these are 5. This is 5. 5 they mark. E, F, E, D, R, D, B, pi by 3. Okay, this is pi by 3. Above the line, below the line written. Show that volume of the prism. What is the volume of the prism? Okay, now come. What is prism? This calculator is a prism. Why? If I take a photo from this side, photo from that side, same. Then height of the prism will be the distance between two similar faces. Now, which two faces are similar? We can say the top and the bottom, these two triangles are similar and congruent. So one of these two will be base. The distance between these two, there will be height. So there is height, we can say height equal to 5. Now what is the base? Base is a triangle, area of the triangle. So volume we can write volume equal to volume of prism, that is volume of prism equal to base area multiply height. Now show that volume. We will show that. So base area of a triangle, half AB sin theta. Half A is R, B also R, sin theta. Theta in radian pi over 3. Height is, we have understood, 5. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree root 3 over 2. Finally, by calculating, we will get 5 root 3 over 4 times r square, r square, this centimeter cube. Oh, they said 5 root 3 4 r square, so it is showed. This is number A. Number B, the volume of a prism is increasing. Increasing means differentiation, greater than 0, differentiation. We could write volume prism, so dV, increasing differentiation. What? At a rate means in such a way the size angle CAB and CA the remaining constant, length is the constant, okay, length AD remain constant, the length ABC increasing at a constant. So we could write, they said length increasing constant rate. Length means here length is r, so we can write dr increasing decreasing at a constant rate. Rate means below the line dt. What is the rate? 0.2. And they said find the exact rate increase centimeter cube of the volume. So we will find what is dV over dt. This value is required to be found. Okay, the volume of prism. When the area of the regular face BCDF, here BCDF is rectangle. It's a rectangle BCDF. BCDF rectangle. So it's a rectangle. Area of rectangle length into breadth. Now area of rectangle given 60. So we could write area of rectangle given 60 centimeters square. Area given 60 centimeters square. Okay, that's good. Now about area, what could it say? We know area of a rectangle length into breadth, and here area of a rectangle length we don't know, but breadth we know 5. So that is, in this way we can find what is the length. Length is unknown, so we can mark x. Length is x. Actually x means r, so x means here we could write r, that is length into breadth. R times height is 5 equal to 60, then r equal to 60 divided 5, 12 centimeter. So r value we got 12 centimeter. Now we can do balancing. What is called balancing? Before that, here dr dt, the volume we have, this volume, let us do the differentiation of that. How to do differentiation of that? Here volume V equal to 5 root 3 4 r square. So dV over dr equal to r square, power 2 you multiply, then 4 and 2 cancel, that will be 5 root 3 over 2r, only 1 r left. And we got the value of r is 12, so you write 5 root 3 over 2 times 12, then you cut 6, 5 6 is 30 root 3. This is finally we can write, what can we write? dV over dr, dV over dr. So dV over dr we could write 30 root 3. If we want to dV over dr, okay, 6 plus 30 dV over dr. Now they said to find the exact rate, that is dV over dt. So dV over dt, we got dV over dr, we got dr over dt. If I just do balancing means we have dV over dr equal to 30 root 3. We have dV dr over dt equal to 0.2. We need to find dV over dt. So which one is bigger, dv over dt? You keep left side dv over dt equal to, first you write dv dr into dr dt. Dt, you see dr if I cut dv or dt, so left side and right side balancing. Now you just put the value dv over dr is 30 root 3 and dr over dt, that is 0.2. So then if we calculate, by calculating we will get 6 root 3. Since it is dv over dt, v means volume centimeter cube, t means second per second. This is the final answer. Okay, the number 7. Number 7, they're telling expand. This is binomial expansion. Binomial expansion is expand in ascending power of up to including in terms of x cube. How to do that? We know, I hope you know. So we are explaining minus 3. Formula you just write. 1 is single plus first write power. Write the function x over 3. Below the line write 1 factorial. Again write minus 3. Again you subtract 1 minus minus 3, that is minus 4. First time power is 1, now it will be x over 3 power 2. Below the line 2 factorial. Again minus 3 times minus 4. Again 1 subtract, that will be minus 5 times x over 3. Here whole power will be 3. First 1, then 2, then 3. It was factorial 2, now it will be factorial 3. Okay. Now if I simplify, calculate, I will get 1. By calculating 3 3 cancel, negative x. Calculating these, I will get 2 over 3 x square. Calculating, I will get 10 over 27 x cube. Okay, this is the expansion. Now number B, write down the range of values for which your expansion valid. You know, in the binomial, the denominator, no, binomial actually including, excluding a1 and power. If I exclude the b value, b means x over root 3. These modulus less 1. Find modulus x by 3 less 1. By simplifying, we can write modulus x less than 3. That is x value, or other way you can write x value less than 3, x value greater than minus 3. This is the range. Okay, now they say write down the range. Already has been written. Now for number C, 3 plus x whole power minus 3. That one you convert into this. It means 3 plus x inside, from inside if I take common outside 3, then inside will be 1 plus x over 3 whole power 3. This power 3 was, since I took 3 common, power 3 will be above minus 3. So 3 to the power minus 3 means 1 over 27, and this is 1 plus x over 3 power negative 3. If we compare this one, p plus, here it is written p times 1 plus qx times power 3. So we know p equal to 1, q equal to 1/3, q equal to 1/3. We know p, q 1/3. Okay, these two, p and q, no more. For number D, they said obtain a series expansion for 1 by plus 4 below 3 plus x square. So by doing long division, what we get? Try to understand. Okay, now actually we're doing the second part of that. Sorry, third part. D equal to 1 plus this one. 1 plus 4x 3x plus cube. That part we are doing. So now this is number D portion. The f of x equal to 1 plus 4x over 3 plus x whole cube. If I bring up it 1 plus 4x, it will be 3 plus x whole cube, 3 plus x whole power negative 3. Few minutes ago, calculating we have got 1 plus 4x will remain as it is. This one by calculating we have got 1 over 27 times 1 plus x over 3 whole power negative 3. You just bring this front, then what will happen? If we bring this front, then final calculation will get 1 over 27 times 1 plus 4x times 1 plus x over 3 times negative 3. There is 1 by 27 times 1 plus 4x, 1 plus x by 3. That one by breaking down we got 1 minus x plus 2 over 3x square minus 10 over 27 x cube. Okay, then 10x cube. Okay. Now if I multiply just only 1 by 27 outside, 1 this they said up to x square, that is 1 minus x plus 2 by 3 x square. Then another one 4x, you multiply all by 4x, so that will be 1 multiply, sorry, 4x multiply that, so it will be 4x into 1 4x, 4 into x minus 4x square. I have up to x square, no need more. Now 1 by 27, 1 minus x plus 4x plus 3x plus 23 over x square. Okay, then plus 4x minus 4x square. Then 1 over 27 plus 1 over 27 multiply plus x by 27 9x, 2 over 3 times x square. So it can be written here 1 into that 27, this is okay. 3x, it means here 3x and 4x we could have simplified, basically 3x and 4x. Okay, fine. So 1 by 27, this is 1 minus x plus 4x, so there is 1 3x, 2x square. Again, those we don't need here, it's wrong, 2 over 3x square and only minus 4x square. Here it is 2 over 3x square. So 2 over 3x square minus 4x square, if I calculate 2 over 3 minus 4, that is 3, 3 4 is 12, 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. So we are getting here minus 10 over 3 x square. Now 1 by 27 into 3x, that is x by 9x. 1 by 27 into this, that is into 1 by 27. By calculating, we are getting minus 10 by 3 into 1 by 27, that is 10 by 81 x square plus x by 9, and not x by 9 actually, x by 27, and above 3 only x by 9, not x by 9. And that one only 1 over 27. So repeatedly I am writing 1 over 27. Again I am writing it will be 1 over 27 clearly plus x over 9 minus 10 over 81 x square dot dot. This is the expansion. Now same places if I want to write number E, they said hence using algebraic integration find estimate. They said integrate, that is estimate 0 to 0.2 f of x dx. So f of x you just integrate, range will be same. So range is same, that is here integration 0 to 0.2 f of x. What is f of x? 1 by 27. Okay, then integration 1 by 27, let me write, plus x by 9 plus 10 by 81 x square. This one just you simplify, you just do integration. So if I integrate Then we are getting integration 0 to 2. 1 by 27, if I integrate, that is x by 27 plus 1 by x by 9. If I integrate, that will be x square by 9 times 2. It will be 10. This is plus, no, it is minus, actually minus 10 over 81. So you just write minus 10 over 81 times 10 over 81 times this is x square, this is negative, remember, negative x square. So what is x square? The x value, if I have integrated, that I should not write this, I should write uh, 10 by 81 x square. So 10 by 81, it will be x cube times 3. We have done integration 0 to 0.2. So 1, you put the value, instead of that you put the value 0.2, another one 0. By substituting, we will get 0.2 over 27 plus 0.2 square over 18 minus 10 times 0.2 cube plus 243. Okay, and we have done alif, that is these if we calculate, and next again instead of x you just put 0. So 0 means minus 0 minus bracket plus 0 minus 0, that is disappeared. By calculating that, we will get 0.0093004. Okay, this is final value of E. All right, final 5 significant figure, that's why 1 2 3 4 5. It will be 0.0993 0093 5 significant figure. Okay, hence using algebra, so we have solved it. How to do number 8? Number 8, it's a coordinate math, coordinate geometry, coordinate math. So they said AB have coordinate this respectively. Find an equation for the straight line passing through A and B. This is A, this is B. Straight line passing through B. Passing through B, they did not say mid value, just normally any point. So now passing through B in the form A, where AB and D are to be found. Sorry, they said find an equation of the line. The equation, for finding equation, we need to find gradient, grad of AB. Gradient AB, that is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Y2, any point you take according to your own choice, y2, y1, y2, y1, that is there are two coordinate minus 6, 8, 12, 2. So we could write 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6 minus 8 minus 2, minus 6 minus 12. The answer we are getting 6 over minus 18. Okay, so gradient we are getting gradient equal to minus 3, 6, 18, then 1 over 3. Gradient is minus 1 over 3. Now how can I make the equation? Equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, convenient point. Which one is the convenient point? If you think 2, 6, okay, y is minus 6, y minus 6, and m gradient is negative 1 by 3, and x minus x1 is y minus, suppose I don't know, so y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So which point we chose? Minus 6, 8. So x will be 8. Finally, by calculating, we will get y plus 6 cross multiply 3 equal to minus outside x plus 8. Okay, then you could write 3y plus 3 6 are 18 minus x plus 8. Now, not minus x equal to minus x plus 8. So what could you write? 3y plus x and 18 minus it comes to this side, that will be 3y plus 3 6 18. It's okay. The coordinate was coordinate I have taken y minus y1, so 12. No, actually any coordinate I have taken, I should take 12 to. So x is 2, y is 2, y will get 2, x will get 8. Okay, 2 8. So y, this will be y minus 2, y minus 2, y minus 2 3y and minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 3y plus 6, 8 comes as 6 to the 12 and 2, it will be 6 minus x minus actually this is also correct anyway, no problem. Here when it was I'm cutting that, cutting newly I'm writing, let us use that one. So y minus y1 that is 2 equal to gradient minus 1 over 3 x minus x1 is 12. Since it is negative, that's it's a problem. Cross multiply, that will be 3y minus 3 to the 6 equal to minus 1 multiply minus 6 plus 12. Now 3y plus x, this 6 you send to that side, that will be 18. So we could write x plus 3y equal to 18. They also they wrote in the form, there is x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. Finally, this is the value of a equation. They said find the length of AB. What is the length of AB? We know length formula. Length of AB, there is AB equal to root over square root over x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. In that sense, we can write 12 minus 6, that is 12 plus 6. So 12 plus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 8 whole square, that is 2 minus 8 whole square. 12 plus 6, that is 18 whole square. By calculating together, we will get the length 6 root 10. By calculating, we will get, don't worry. Number C, they said the point x is coordinate mn lies on AB such that ax, xb, these find the value of n, the value of n. Okay, it's tricky, so let us do this. Here one coordinate a given, that is minus 6 comma 8. Another I mark x, that is mn. Another, that is b, I mark 12 comma 2. They said the ratio ax is to xb, that is 1 is to 2. So this is 1 and this is 2. How can I find this? The system is unitary method, that is m equal to minus 6 times 2 plus 12 times 1. Below the line ratio you add 1 plus 2. So m equal to will come 0. And n equal to minus 6 times 2. Below the line will be n equal to 1 plus 2. Ratio minus 6 times 2. Sorry, not minus 6, 8 times 2. 8 times 2 y value. Here y is 8, y is 2 plus 2 times that ratio 1. So 8 to the 16 plus 2 18. That is n equal to 18 by 3, that is 18 by 3 6. M equal to 0, n equal to 6 we have got. Now what to do? Now they say The line L passes through the point X and perpendicular to AB. The point C as coordinate lies on L. P AB is the diameter of circle. Wow, now I understood. They said AB is the diameter of a circle. This is for number D. See, diameter of a circle. This is A, this is B. Here it is X, not center. Center is M. So we can find radius, we can find XB. Also we can find AX, so we can have XB. Now one is MB. So here radius A coordinate we know minus 6 comma 8, B coordinate 12 comma 2. Also X coordinate we have got right now 0 comma 6. Okay, then perpendicular distance there is a line. So L, and they said L is perpendicular to L goes through L. This is L perpendicular to AB. So first you find gradient of AB. So grad of AB we got earlier -1/3. Since L is perpendicular, so grad of L we could write grad of L equal to reverse and inverse, that is minus will be positive, 1/3 will be 3. Now equation of L. Equation of L, what is the formula? Say formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1 you take any coordinate, no, any coordinate means it goes through 0 6, y will be 6, m gradient. So gradient is 3, gradient of L 3, and here x minus x1 is 0. So that is we got y equal to 3x minus 6 into right side, that will be plus 6. This is one equation. Another equation I need to make. How another equation will be created? If they have said L is perpendicular, it is a 90-degree angle, right angle triangle. Here this they said the ABC diameter, the circle C also lies on the circumference. Circle C lies on the circumference. Also L passes through the point X perpendicular to AB. Point C has coordinate lies on L. Point C lies on L. So this is the point, somewhere there is L. Now AB is the diameter of the circle, C also lies on the circumference. C. This is L and there is a point C. So this point if I mark C, that is we can get MC. Here is a right angle triangle. Always we use small size right angle triangle. If we use a small size right angle triangle, then we can get the answer. It's a triangle, a small size triangle. Here x coordinate we have got 0 comma 6, c coordinate equal to we could just see it is in the circumference. You could mark AB, and this coordinate M we can find first. What is the radius of AB? The radius of AB, equal to diameter AB equal to this. So radius AB divide diameter, divide this. Diameter we got 6 root 10 by 2. Now radius will be 3 root 2. Okay, radius 3 root 2, diameter we got. Now gradient of now since it is right angle triangle, one right angle triangle, that is COM. To C, this is C, this is M. How can we find M? Is the mid value. We find the mid value, then we can see what is the value of M. The mid value M, that is average, 1 plus 1 divide 2. So we could write M. What is M? M equal to, there minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 plus 12 divide 2, comma 8 plus 2 divide 2. There is m equal to, I got minus 6, there is 6 by 2, there is 3, 8 plus 2 10 divide 2, there is 5. We have got the coordinate m is 3 comma 5. So m is 3 comma 5. Now okay, given that AB is the diameter of the circle, AB is the diameter of the circle, C also lies on the circumference of the circle. Find the exact value of P. Now if I use Pythagoras, this formula, if I use Pythagoras, this triangle x and m, I know m is 3.3 comma 5, x is 0.6. So here this is for number D. On right angle x 0 comma 6 and m 3 comma f. So m 3 comma f, x 0 comma 6, and this is c a comma b. Okay, one equation already, y equal to 3x plus 6, one we have understood. Another one, if I use Pythagoras theorem for this, then this is radius. This cm is radius r, we know the value of r. This is r equal to 12. So here r equal to 12. So use Pythagoras theorem, 12 square equal to this one, a minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus b whole square, and use this also plus 6 minus b whole square. Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. There is a and 6 hypotenuse equal to opposite right. Now adjacent is 0 minus 3, there is minus 3 square plus 6 minus 5, there is 1 square. Okay, 6 minus 5, now it is 144 equal to a square plus b square minus a minus 0 a square. Okay, 6 minus b. Okay, this is 6 minus b whole square, so we could write a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 3 plus b square. Or later you write 6 minus b whole square, you keep it as it is, plus 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 10. Now oh, this is radius is not 12, actually radius is we have got radius equal to diameter divide 2. So what is the diameter? We have got diameter, length of the diameter, okay, radius AB 3 root 10, radius AB 3 root 10, so it's not 12, that is 3 root 10, 3 root 10, so it will be 3 root 10. This is radius, so 3 root 10 whole square. By calculating 3 root 10, we will get 90. So there is a 10, you subtract 90 minus 10, there is 80 equal to a square plus 6 minus b whole square. So 6 minus b whole square, earlier I made, I got another equation, then I wrote y equal to 3x plus 6, y has been made as a subject, y equal to 3x plus 6, this is equation 1 as well. So y means b coordinate, the b coordinate you substitute, that is 3x plus 6. Okay, this is 6 minus p or b minus 6, same thing. B minus 6, if I write b minus 6, the b value 3x, b value means y, 3x plus 6, and inside there is a negative 6 whole square plus 10 plus the 10 disappeared, this I have wrote from right to left. So then you can get 80 equal to a square plus 6 cancel, 3x whole square. So 3x whole square means it will be 3x means a, so it will be 9 a square. So 9 a square that will be x is a. So 9 square a square, it will be 10 a square. 80 equal to 10 a square. So that is, we can write a square equal to 80, a equal to plus minus root over, oh no, a square equal to only 8, not 0, root over 8. Okay, so a square equal to 8 and a equal to plus minus root over 8. So plus minus root over 8, they said exact value, like keep it as it is. D Roman number 1, now it is D Roman 2, exact value of P. How can you get the value of P? This A value will substitute in another equation. A is X and B is Y. So another equation was Y equal 3x plus root 6. It means if I write Y equal to 3x plus root 6, not 6, 3x plus 6. So Y means B, 3x means A plus 6. A is, so B equal to 3 times A is root 8 plus 6. 3 8 plus 6. This is A. This is B. So we can write A equal to, and here plus minus. Why should not I take plus minus? Because they said P greater 0, Q greater 0. That's why I found it the positive value. So A we can write this, and B we can write 3 8 plus root 6, and A is root 8. Okay, that was number 8. Now number 9, three-dimensional diagram. Figure 4 shows a right pyramid with vertex B. Alright, base ABCD, which is a regular pentagon. Now AB, BC, CD. AB, this is AB, BC 2x, CD 2x, all are 2x. BA, BB, BC, this is 3x, that also 3x, all are 3x. In degree change size of the angle between the plane BBC. BBC. So BBC means if there is a height. Now we can find that, we can get that. That is, if it is mark O, then VO. If it is mark M, then OM, and BM you connect. This angle is in between. So BM is we are getting when BBC. BBC, from here we are getting BM, and OM from the pentagon, from the center. If I draw O2 here, mid of BC, and this one, this is OM. So here OM and BM, if I connect, what is the angle in between OM and BM? If it is B, this is the angle theta. That is BMO. So this angle is required to be found. This one you mark theta. Okay, theta. For this we need to find few extra things. First let us come B, B, C. Here 2x, this is 3x, 3x. Okay, if I split, this will be x, this is 90 degree. That is hypotenuse 3x, this is x. I need to find basically BM. BM. How can you find BM? So using Pythagoras theorem, BM is suppose h. So Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse 3x square equal to h square plus x square. From here you subject make h equal to root over 3x square means 9x square, and x you send left right to left, x square. H equal to, finally it came x root 8. Now about pentagon. Pentagon, if I do 1 2 3 4 5, pentagon means I need to find of one part. One part means here if I draw this part, this is 2x, so pentagon, so each angle, since it is pentagon, one angle it will be 360 divide 5, so we are getting 72. This angle 72. Since it is isosceles triangle, this side that side equal. And now from 180 you subtract 72, then we will get divide also, that only divide by 2, then we will get each angle. Each angle is coming 54. So that is inside, this is 54, this is also 54. Okay. Now I want to find, this is the small portion. Suppose it is OBC. This is OBC, OBC. So I have brought OBC. I have drawn. From OBC, I need to find actually the middle one, OM. What is OM? If I cut into two, that is 1. This is O. This is B. This is M. So it was BC 2x. Half will be x. One angle. This is 54. Now I need to find OM. So OM, how can you find? SOHCAHTOA. Using SOHCAHTOA, how can you find OM? Using SOHCAHTOA, that is opposite. This is angle opposite by adjacent tan theta. So you could write tan 54 equal to opposite. Suppose you mark H2. So H2 by X. So H2 equal to X tan 54. Tan 54. So here OM we have got, OM height we have got X tan 54. This OM, and VM we have got VM. This is VM. VM we have got X root 8. Now write VM we have got X root 8. This is theta. OM we have got X tan 54. This is right angle triangle. BOM. BOM. This is right angle triangle. So BOM, they said 1 decimal size angle between the plane VBC. VBC means the plane, VBC means the VBC, and ABCD, that is the base. So that's why with the base it is coming, this is the base, this is VBC, mid, this one is coming theta. So now finally we will get this is VOA, this is M, that one it is right angle. This one we have got X tan 54, that one we got X root 8, so we need to find angle theta. Opposite we don't have, cos theta. That is, we write cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, so adjacent X tan 54, hypotenuse X root 8. We could cancel XX, theta equal to cos inverse tan 54 over square root over 8. By calculating theta, we will get 60.88. They said 1 decimal place, that is 60.9 degree. Okay, fine. Now number 10. So number 10, it's an asymptote curve. Asymptote curve means number 10, y equal to this. They said at x-axis, y-axis, you find at y-axis. So we know at x-axis y0. If I put y0, 0 equal to 6 minus 3x over x minus 1. Cross multiply 0, then 6 minus 3x equal 0. Then x equal to, we will get 6 divide 3, that is 2. Coordinate is coming, this is p. So p is coming x comma y, that is 2 comma 0. Now for q again we write at y-axis x equals 0, x0, then y equal to 6 minus 0, 0 minus 4, that is minus 1.5. The coordinate we could write, this is q we could write x is 0, y negative 1.5. This is q. Okay, so q equal to 0 comma negative 1.5, p equal to 2 comma 0. We have got that. All right, now this is number 10a, Roman 1 and 2 solve. Roman b, number b, Roman. Write down the equation asymptote parallel to y-axis, x subject not x subject, so that's the denominator 0. Parallel to y-axis, suppose y equal to 6 minus 3x over x minus 4. Parallel to y-axis, x subject, no, x not subject, so x minus 4 0. You write equation parallel to y-axis, parallel to y ax axis, denominator 0, x minus 4 0, that is x equal to 4. Okay, now equation parallel to x axis, parallel to x axis, y subject, so already you have y subject. Now write equation parallel to equation of asymptote, equation of asy asymptot, asymptote, equation of asymptot, asymptote, parallel to x axis. What do you get? X axis, y equal to x coefficient by x coefficient, y equal to x coefficient by x coefficient. So y equal to x coefficient, we got negative 3, here x coefficient 1. That is, we are getting y equal to negative 3. Number D, they said, and number C, this is sketch clearly asymptote. Sketch. So for sketching, let us write all. We have got y equal to negative 3, we got x equal to 4, we got coordinate 2 comma 0, 0 comma negative 1.5. Now just let us learn how to draw xy. First you write, what you write? Asymptote equation. One is y equal to negative 3, y negative 3. This is asymptote. Another x equal to 4. This is also asymptote. 1.2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. 1.0 comma negative 1.5, 0 comma negative 1.5. So since they are intersecting, they will go through these 2 points. Asymptote will be there. Definitely asymptote. One is positive above the line and the negative below the line. That is x is negative, y positive, opposite x positive, y negative, that is below the line. These are. This is one number C. Number D, they said. Number D, they said the L is normal to C at the point when x equal to 2. Equation of L. L intersects C again are x coordinate of 1. So first L is normal C when x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, let us see where x equal to 2. There is x equal to 2. So it's normal. Let us draw a tangent first. If I draw a line, this is the tangent. This is called tangent. Normal means perpendicular to that line. That is called normal. So this is normal. Okay. Now equation normal, first find equation of tangent, gradient of tangent. How to find gradient of tangent? That is, we differentiate. This is for number D, differentiation. So first you do the differentiation. Differentiation of the equation. What is the equation? Equation is y equal to 6 minus 3x over x minus 4. So UV formula, that is dy over dx equal to first b square, that is x minus 4 whole square, above the line b, that is x minus 4. Differentiation ddx of 6 minus 3x, shortening I am telling, it will be 0 minus 3 times 1, formula negative. Again 6 minus 3x will remain same. Differentiation of b, x minus 4, that is 1 minus 0. Now by simplifying we will get x minus 4 negative 3, that is minus 3 into x minus 4. 1 into this, remove the bracket, that is negative 6 plus 3x below the line x minus 4 whole square. By simplifying more, we could get minus 3x plus 12 minus 6 plus 3x over x minus 4 whole square. 3x plus minus cancel, 12 minus 6, that is 6. So finally we got the 6 divide x minus 4 whole square. This is the differentiation, dy over dx. What will we do? Here you put x equal to 2, at x equal to 2, what you get? When x equal to 2, dy over dx equal to 6 by 2 minus 4 whole square. By calculating all, you will get again 1.5. This is gradient of tangent. Grad of tangent. We need to find gradient of normal. So gradient of normal, reverse and inverse. What is gradient of normal? Grad of normal. It was 3 over 2. Reverse and inverse, that is 2 over 3 negative. It will be minus 2 over 3. The coordinate when x is 2, then y is 0. So find equation of normal. Equation of normal, that is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, y minus y1 0, m minus 2 over 3, x minus x1 2, that is y equal you multiply minus 2x, this 3 you just cross multiply with this, then minus 2x minus minus plus 4. So finally final equation we will get that 2x negativity will be positive, 2x plus 3y equal to 4. This is the equation of normal. So equation of normal. Now what did they say? They said the line L intersects C again. That is again simultaneously. This is the equation, another equation. 2 we will solve simultaneously. Then we will find this is 2. This is for curve C, and for L is 2x plus 3y equal to 4, which earlier we got, that is equation 1. Equation 1, 2x plus 3y. So 2x plus 3y, 2x L, this is 2x plus, this is not curve, actually this is L. So curve will be y equal 6 minus 3x over x minus 4. This is equation 2, not this one, not this one. So now we will solve simultaneously. Simultaneously we will solve means this y already has been substituted. You substitute these 2 into 1. So we get from 1, if we substitute, then we will get 2x plus 3 times, if I write 6 minus 3x over x minus 4 equal to 4. Then you multiply and do the LCM. So it will be 2x times x minus 4 and plus 3 6 is 18 minus 3 is 9x here, x minus 4 equal to 4. By simplifying more, we will get 2x square minus 8x plus 18 minus 9x, cross multiply, that will be 4x minus 16. By simplifying finally all, we are getting 2x square, then minus these 9, that is 21x, this it will be 34 equals 0. Now do the middle term breaking factorization, that is 34 you factorize to 17, and there is another 2 to the 4. So it will be 2x square minus 4x minus 17x plus 34 equals 0. So then if I take common, if I just take 2x common, then if I take 2x common, then it will be x minus 2, again minus 17, if I take common, then x minus 2 equals 0. So again x minus 2 common, it will be 2x minus 17 equals 0. Finally we will get x equal to 2 and x equal to 17 over 2, that is 8.5. Okay, now what did they say? They said find the x coordinate of R. The x coordinate of 2, that was not for R, that was for P. So x coordinate of R is 8.5, that is for R is 8, that is x equal to 8.5. Okay, that one done. Now number 11. This is the root of the quadratic equation. So we can get alpha minus beta equal to this. Alpha plus beta square. Apply this formula. Alpha square plus beta square equal to 30. A plus b whole square. There are two formula. If I use minus, that is a minus b whole square, then plus 2ab, then equal to 30. Okay, a minus b whole square, you just make a minus b as is, no, a minus b we have 2 root 6, that is 2 root 6 whole square plus 2 alpha beta equal to 30. 2 root 6 whole square, if I make these as a subject, 2 alpha beta equal to 30 minus, calculating that I got 24. Then alpha beta equal to 6 divide 2, that is 3. Alpha beta is 3, they said, show that we have showed. Okay, then again alpha plus beta, how can I get alpha plus beta? Same formula. For that again alpha square plus beta square 30. A plus b whole square, another formula, a plus b whole square, that is minus 2ab equal to 30. So a plus b whole square equal to 30 minus 2, that is a plus 2ab. Already we have got ab is 3. So into 3 6 30, that is 30. Then we can write a plus b equal to root over 30, plus minus will be plus no, 30 plus 6, 36, root over 36, that is 6. A plus b, this it shows 6. Okay, now number b, this is without solving we find the value of, okay, now alpha 4 plus beta 4, alpha 4 plus beta 4, we can write a square plus b square in that way, that is alpha square whole square plus beta square whole square. Then a square plus b square, you can write a square is a, b square is beta square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A is a square, b is beta square. Alpha square plus beta square, we got 30. So we could write 30 square minus 2 times alpha beta. Alpha square beta square means alpha beta whole square. That is 3. So this is 30 square minus 2 times 3 square 9. Finally calculating, we will get 82. Now another one, alpha 4 minus beta 4. So how to write alpha 4 minus beta 4? That is number 2, alpha 4 1 number 2b, alpha 4 minus beta 4. Same, this is alpha square whole square minus beta square whole square. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A is alpha square, b is beta square, a plus b into a minus b square minus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square, we know 30, and a square minus b square, we can write what is a square minus b square. We could write a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, that is alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, that is 30 times a plus b 6, and this equal to, we can write root over 24, which we got earlier. By calculating all, we will get that is by calculating get final calculation, if we calculate 180 times root 24. So if we calculate 180 times root 24, simplify, that will be no, actually if I calculate root 24, that is 2 root 6, 2 root 6 times 180. So it can be written 360 times 2 root 6. Okay, now this is for number b, Roman number 2. Now number c, given alpha 4 equal to p plus q root 6. Okay, that is, we need to find a alpha 2 to the power 4. So how can we find alpha root 4? We know here, actually how did we get this root 24? You might ask this question. So that one, actually if I show in detail, we know a minus b whole square, alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is the formula. So alpha minus beta equal to square root over alpha beta whole square, or you could write a square minus, anyway any formula you write, no problem. If you think no, I don't understand this, then you can write a square minus t plus b square, that is alpha square minus twice alpha beta plus beta square. Then it is becoming root over alpha plus alpha square plus beta square 30 minus 2 times alpha beta is 3. So this is becoming root over 24. In this way we got root over 24. Okay, now we got alpha 4 plus beta 4 equal to by calculating we got 882, and now alpha 4 here minus beta 4 equal to we got 360 root 6. So what will be happen if I add both? If I add both means beta beta cancel. There is 2 alpha 4 equal to, we could write 882 plus 360 root 6. Divide all by 2, then alpha 4 equal to, we are getting 441 plus 180 root 6. Okay, so finally we can write alpha 4 equal to, if we compare with this b plus q root 6, so here we can write p equal to 441, q equal to 180. Okay, this paper is over, children. Don't be upset. P1, P2, P3, P4 for A levels. We are going to solve soon for the P mathematics, O level P1, P math 1, P math 2, and math B1, math B2, all one by one. We are solving. Please share more and more with your friends. Subscribe the channel. Write, comment at least one comment for each video. Then inspire me. I'll be doing more and more. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Allah.